Hi, my name's Grant and I'm a college student studying electrical engineering. Over the summer, I worked in a research lab that used electromagnets to move small magnetic beads. An electromagnet is like a normal magnet, except it only works when electricity is running through it. This means we can have much more precise electromagnets because we can change the current, which also changes the magnetic field. It also means that we can turn the magnet on and off, which you can't do with a normal magnet. So, how do we build one? Well, it's actually really easy. All you need is a nail like this. I have an iron nail. A steel one would work, but not as well. And some copper wire like this. And all you want to do is wrap the wire around the nail as many times as you can, and as tightly as you can. Alright, when you're done, it should look something like this, and that's your electromagnet. So let's see it in action. Alright, so here you can see that I have my electromagnet hooked up to the battery, and I just used alligator clips to hook it up. And it does not matter which way you hook up your electromagnet. So now I'm just going to touch it to this bent up paper clip I have here, and it'll pick it up. So now that you know how to build an electromagnet, you might be wondering, what are they used for? Well, they're used in junkyards to pick up metal. Or in a CAT scan to take a picture of your brain. Or today we'll be using an electromagnet to retrieve a lost robot. The robot was lost in a cave, and we have to use an electromagnet because there's iron deposits, so a normal magnet would get stuck on the way in. So here we have our cave. And actually, the cave is just a box with some vinyl tubing cut out and shaped into a S curve. And I have this clamp here to represent the iron deposits that a normal magnet wouldn't be able to get around. And then our robot is actually just that bent up paper clip I was using earlier, and it's going to sit at the end of the cave. So your goal is going to be to design something that can fit through the cave, follow the curve of the cave, and retrieve the lost robot. Alright, engineers, you now know how to make an electromagnet and you know how they work. Now it's time to put your engineering abilities to the test and see if you can rescue that robot from the cave. Good luck!